Hi everyone, my name is A.V. Lokesh Yadav. I am from Alshankara Engineering College student, Department of Civil Engineering student. Today we will discuss about polymer concrete in our concrete technology subject. Let us we can see contents. What are the contents will be there in polymer concrete? Let us see. Introduction on polymer concrete, definition of polymer concrete, merits, demerits, applications and conclusions. Let us see what is polymer concrete in introduction. What is polymer concrete? Cement concrete is an inherently porous material and, and as such it has low strength, low tensile strength. That is we can see in our daily life, we will observe in construction sites or construction places, concrete, cement concrete, they have some small pores. That's why that have low tensile strength. For applications such as construction materials, offering the potential advantages of higher strength, water tightness and improved durability, and also it will be more lifetime and high strength water tightness. Let us see definition. What is the definition of polymer concrete? When the binder is a polymer that replaces the cement paste is known as polymer concrete. Or the polymer is a monomer act as binder for aggregate and the resulting composite is called polymer concrete. Let us discuss cement paste is replaced with polymer. In this polymer concrete, we can replace cement paste to polymer. Or we can observe this diagram, this picture. Some of the idea will be came how it will be how it will be how to the concrete merits. What are the merits will be there in polymer concrete? Good long-term durability with respect of freeze and throw cycle. It will be have good long time and the durability will be more and also low permeability to water and aggressive solutions. Good resistance against corrosion and also demerits will be there in polymer concrete. Let us see what are the demerits will be there in polymer concrete. Among the demerits is the high cost. It will be high cost. It tend to brittle in nature. If fiber reinforcement is not provided in some polymer concrete case, they tend develop concrete. It will be brittle and cracks. It will be brittle in nature. If polymer reinforcement is not provided in some polymer concrete cases, they tend develop the cracks. Applications. These applications will be seen in our daily life most of the times. Structural floor. Structural floor will be you see in our daily life. Daily we can see structural floor and swimming pool. Swimming pool will also see for when we daily in 1 week one time they are there like that. Swimming pools, pipes, storage tanks for distilled water, tunnel liner and nuclear power plants, curbstones, prefabricated structural elements. These curbstones will be using in roads, national highways, state highways. In that roads sites, you will be using these curbstones. Prefabricated structural elements. Constructed. It will be constructed before in construction site, and it will be just attached in construction site. Now we will discuss conclusion. What we will discuss in this topic, what we learnt about polymer concrete. Curing time studies on polymer concrete have established that it achieves around 70% of its strength after curing of 1 day room temperature. It will be give to the 70% of strength in 1 day room temperature. This is the one of the plus point of polymer concrete. Today we will discuss about polymer concrete. Thank you for giving this great opportunity.